Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile private rooms. First, launch Call of Duty Mobile and navigate to the multiplayer section. Look for the 3 horizontal lines icon, usually located in the top right corner of your screen, and tap it. From the menu that appears, select the private option found on the bottom left. This action will take you directly to the private match creation lobby, ready for your customization. Once in the private lobby, you have full control over your game settings. You can choose from various game modes, select your preferred map, and decide on the number of players. For exclusive access, consider setting a password, ensuring only those you invite can join. Furthermore, fine-tune the match rules, such as score limits, time limits, and even specific weapon restrictions, to create your ideal gameplay experience. With your room settings configured, it is time to gather your teammates. You can easily invite friends directly from your in-game friends list. Alternatively, share the unique room identification number and any password you set with others so they can join. Always confirm that all your desired players are present in the lobby before you hit the start button, ensuring everyone is ready for action. Now, dive into your custom game, playing by the exact rules and on the map you selected. Utilize the in-game voice or text chat features to coordinate strategies and communicate effectively with your teammates. After the intense match concludes, take a moment to review the detailed results and statistics. This allows you to see individual performances and overall team achievements, providing valuable insights into your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.